Yes, good evening, Jamaica, and welcome to Primetime Live. Now, what you're seeing behind me here is the area that notorious gunman Everton Saunders, more popularly known as Red. This era is the era that he used to escape from the police. This marks the 39th murder for Mr. Saunders. The police are on a manhunt for him. Yes, Jamaica is also to note that Mr. Saunders is not committing these heinous crimes on his own. He is along with Mr. John Doe, more popularly known as Red Boot. He and his accomplice murdered individuals here this morning. The public is being advised to be on high lookout for these individuals. There will be a display of their photographs on the screen. Members of the community are saying that it is as a result of the current lockdown imposed by the JLP administration why these criminals had time to come out and commit these heinous acts. Residents of the community are also saying as a result of the lockdown and the rise in COVID-19 numbers, it's causing some tension in the community, also contributing to this spillover of violence.
I want bunny down.
Yo, tell you, daddy. There. Yo, look at work on the side. And build up much black how much and now we're not going to pay for it.
And when the boss say money I go run?
You see, because of the lockdown, the man say, boy, the money now come till about next week, Thursday. So we'll go eat over this weekend.
You know, it's not a good idea for that long it's a weekend. Because Friday people get paid. Saturday they have to shopping. Sunday they have to go shopping, see if you get little things. See people we can't buy like rich people.
I tell my woman, say, go on up to your mother. Go see if I can get some food for them. I'm embarrassed in one sense. I can't ever say, yo, mama, see I ever told her to help me buy some food. You know what I mean? So right now, hungry days, I go beat with. Because a few women are gone from what they said, so it's a good thing woman gone up. Because we have to find to get her to eat now. Because you are the breadwinner of your yard and me, the breadwinner of my yard said we. So if we are the provider, I will left out now. But my one's safe, you know. Because fear people don't have things. They live on the hillside. You know what I mean? So them good. But me I want you to not go to anchor on my style that. You know if we style, because we work hard for one. So through your work, you know that's the problem I know. But if they sell some bag juice, I sell some pan, we do better. We don't have money now. But we can't do, we come a month to the pan, people them up, man. And the man have a decency. But the lockdown come sudden, but still, them anxious so we get a piece of money.
A good thing say me have a good woman too, you know. You see me, because I say if I want to go, you made that we have, you see me, but I really go hard. But my woman understand things still, you know.
But what she there now?
You know she not there, she gone up her family them.
Desperate time, you know. Call for desperate measures.
That's a chore.
So you know, say a while ago, when I come up the road now, they said brown bartender girl there. He said sexy one, man, that's the one there. I see she a bag and blow up, it's a grocery that go over a fear yard, you know. And when I go to the bar, go buy some liquor over there. Come back free bridge and pass through. We have to drink out the bar. You must say female now come back till whichever date. Till the 27th, 28th. So now you know, say she alone down a yard, the fear yard, you know, it's a lockdown, yeah.
That same brown there, she not a mean girl, you know.
And if you make her one drink of water and buy a drink of machine and give her, you know, she not too like it, she not as cuss, you know.
Yo, but here one now. Me not be who like me, you know. Me like everyone, you know.
But you may say no.
You see me?
Good, I could go down here then, me not come then, me watch her for miles away. You go ask her for £1 of flour or for some food and see when you go to the
But we see what she has said today.
Come down. Oh, still got say curfew make you can't come down. A lockdown time. Yeah, babe, remember say give me money to buy the things them already. Me buy 10 pound of flour. Yeah, 10 pound of flour. And me buy one whole bag of rice coming in. When them a home up back a place. Me buy vegetable. Me buy 25 pound of chicken. Whole heap of something me buy. Me buy provision. Cooking oil, sugar, everything I buy. I buy everything, man.
Yo, yo, daddy, I laugh if you see this here, you know. I laugh if you see this here. If you see this here, I laugh, you know. Go on, I'm not talking, I'm not talking. Go on.
whole
Brownie, what I go on?
Hold on, let me come on my phone. Now come. Later, love you. Bye bye.
What you want to go and still? Kind of rise up and nothing and go on and I feel hungry, you know.
Big man like you. Where you go look work though? You come and ask me for tin mackerel and flour. Where me forget it from? Where me forget it from? Me not go have no money.
Deal with me, son. Me not tell you something as a trade man.
Then if you're a trade man, why you not on the site?
Because the boss tell me say yo some work for go on and we do it already and some more work for go on and to give you some money and we not get no money yet. And right now I feel hungry.
Right now, I'm hungrier than you. I wish somebody can give me more money. You can't ask me for tin mackerel. Tin mackerel? Look here, I don't have no money.
So you deal with me,
look
son?
here, come out of me yard.
Come out of which yard? Why you deal with me, son, man?
Go on where you go. You come like you come in after me yard to make problem.
We not make no problem, but me I tell you some man hungry. Come on, wake up and man hungry and say I lock down.
So wait there. So you come and talk to me like me your mother. My response to give you anything?
You don't have to be my mother forgive me anything. Them say you ask and they shall forgive it.
Yeah, forgiving. Right.
That's how you deal with man.
You look like a woman to you. Where you come and come.
That's how you deal with man.
But you come in on me yard and I can't style me. But you bright.
I mean, you're a brown man. If you give man when man asks you for things.
When me forget it
you
from?
have it. You have it.
You know
Your man I live rich.
And that
A man come beg on some food and I go and ask you when I
I
want
watch
the man
people
food.
business. Me not have none. Me not have none. Go on out of me
That's
yard.
how you deal with me.
Man, me have to call the police, you know. Go on out of me yard.
Call the police. Alright, you check the man.
Go on out of me yard, you idiot.
That's how we shot.
One of
Man,
them
I'm
here,
trying to mail in a woman.
Go and go look war.
Hey, man.
Good thieving, dirty boy. Go look war.
Alright,
Go out of
that's
me
how
yard.
man. Go on. So
Go out
you
of
deal
me
with man.
yard. You see one little dirty people. We are going to walk and have beg people.
I
Go look what man. Go look what. We are coming to me yard and come beg.
Come on, man.
Me a run supermarket. We are coming to come beg.
Go on,
Come on,
see you.
yo, when I get time, come on.
Alright.
Me a run supermarket. Me look like me have mini mart to you.
Member say you this me.
Go on this party and go and look what. You're big and walk this now. Go look what.
Alright.
Go and go look what. You not beg too much. That's why some man no thief. Go and buy your business.
They deal with me and what I go for you. More respect you should have deal with me. Anyway, that tell me still, you know. Never know she should have deal with me so rash a while ago. Trust me, she deal with me very, very rash a while ago.
But me tell you, me tell you now. Alright, but you know, this time, you do it my way. Right? Go for the thing.
Alright.
Now go for the thing, set.
Go for it, you know.
So, babes, what more you say I get for nice fridge for like to stock up a place like what like them?
You know, some of the priests we could get some chicken and probably some fish, salt mackerel and thing. You see me?
No, lobster more, shrimps, and more some steak with it. If you want carry some rum and some champagne or what, you can carry it.
Alright, babes, here. Don't worry yourself. I got you covered. So I just jump in the supermarket, grab some lobster and
Make sure you
thing.
say you get the lobster, you know?
No, man, don't worry yourself, man. I got you covered, man. So I get the lobster and thing and get the rest of stuff them. See? And also, I just run good on my yard.
So where
Well,
you bed inside?
you know, so I don't like being and put on back the same clothes. So I just
No, you
good.
can bed inside and relax and lay down and rest yourself.
No, man. I just go down on my yard, bed, grab the thing them and come back. Alright?
Make sure you hurry up and come back.
Alright, come on, give me a hug.
Make sure you come back, you know.
Alright, so we soon forward, eh, babes?
Alright, later.
Alright, yeah, man.
Oh, where say bartender girl name again?
Yeah, no, so I brought them in the car out. Maybe she have another name too, you know.
I'm going to buy a bar all the while, but I don't call her no name. But I say, yo, sell me a thing, sell me a thing.
Go over there and say, Matty, as well.
Matt! Matt me a sell! Matt! Who said the Matt them? Cheap Matt, in a lockdown. $2,000. I'll give me some food, Matt for food.
$2,000.
Yeah.
Let me see, let me see.
Food for Matt.
How much is it?
Much I want a good Matt, man. Yeah, Wally, what long, sir? What long, sir? Yeah. Take your time, Wally, yeah. Chicho, can you not take a little pan in?
You look pretty, me like it.
Yeah, man, you can't little
How much?
Take off food. Take off food fast. Take off food. Take off food. Go in. Come on, man. Shh. Go in. Yo, body down. Okay, take off man. Have a dear man, I'm going to do it. Come in. Yo, go in. Sit down. Come in, Jenna. Lock it. You go on now. I'm my favorite bartender, you know. Some of the time you know do like good, you know. When I have no money, you know I get no water. I pass. Take a look at this water now. My band drink a rum. Remember?
But me serve you rum.
You serve me rum, but me have money, but you don't give you water when you don't have no money.
I know my place. I work there.
But here we know, as a bartender, the customer come first. Remember? Hello, I don't want no talking too much. You hear me now? Different from that, don't have to come about.
Alright,
You know me?
Yeah, me know you.
Yeah, tell me I'm a general of
So you know me.
I first me I see him.
So we come beg her some food and you don't give me.
I man come make you food.
Oh, me never know say you sorry. Me can't cook your food give you now. Me can't give you some food.
What me answer? Put on your hand when the police. Put on your hand, man.
Hey woman, you know, say you hurt all my feelings today.
Me general a ball, I come up here and me a laugh and fight, but even now, last laugh best. You know what? Right now you have to cook some food for 2 weeks. Right now.
Yeah, I'm ready
so,
to cook it.
so you ready for cookie?
Ready for cooking
Right You're not ready yet. So you know what? A friend in need is a friend indeed. We want food. No, we need food.
Cause hunger make cold sweat and wash me.
Friend.
And we're there for 3 days. 3 days we're there for. After lockdown we're gone. Right? So, go cook the food now. Go start get some food ready. We not come off a thief no money for a bartender.
Right now.
Don't know
What
that.
I drink right now too, you know.
Babes,
Yeah, want me for some of them?
you know somebody promise you lobster and steak and shrimp and bag or something. But guess what? It's because I locked down. But if you get a piece of money, man, but you know rich. So me now can buy no lobster and shrimp.
Yeah, but I lockdown time now, but you not buy nothing.
Yeah, man, but here we can buy. We can buy some tin mackerel and some sardine and maybe a pound of flour. You know them little things and some chicken back. Can buy that and forward.
No, me not want them there. Them they not work out. Me not want them there.
You mean say no want that? I can't afford. Remember some done share thing already, man, say because I locked down.
No, me not want them there. Me not want them there. Better things more. You tell me say you buy steak and lobster and fish and you carry tin mackerel and chicken back. Come give me.
No, man, you know if you go on some man. We can carry thing come, man.
No, nobody come. Stay with you there. Stay with you there. Me not want you come.
Why, Chacha. Alright, cool. Everything good, man.
Hello?
You know, say don't hear yard me there.
No, you can't run on my yard. You can't run on my yard because you can't come on my yard and I never tell you to come on my yard.
Me know say you never tell me. Yeah, me know say you never tell me if you come down your yard, but me forward, man.
Yeah, but me no want you come with no tin mackerel that not go work. You can't come on my yard and want come juke me for the whole 3 days. No, me not there. It's not there.
Alright. Alright, so she feels that me I left. Me not left.
Yo, food done, soon done cooking, daddy.
You mean that right now? We're hungry now.
When you have a vision, watch out. Fruit juice there, man. I don't take cold enough, so maybe you want cool down. Don't worry yourself now. You must have I treat them good. You understand? It's good.
You get so good though in a brownie. You get so good.
Candy!
Who is it?
Me!
How would that?
Me who?
Rihanna!
Oh.
Sister!
Oh, my sister Rihanna.
Yeah.
Come in.
Oh, man, you know you have so long in there. You take some and put me door.
I couldn't find it here.
Where you cooking there?
May I cook?
Oh, God. Come, show me where you cook.
Wait there.
Yo, sit down over there, son. Hey, bro, that's such a nice sister, that.
But they have a 3 day, you're there for 3 day too.
3 days?
3 day there for. Alright? We can have fun or it can get dirty. What's your name?
Rihanna.
Yeah, I'm Fire. Everything is good.
From?
We are all friends here.
From?
I'm from here, right here in that house. I am there for now for 3 days. So, but that's why I have cooperation and think wisely. Wise. Just think wise. And we survive, right? We're up on a survival mode. You look good. You should carry in a bar a long time.
No, I'm not working a bar.
Alright. But what they do is some food we are cook. We don't want no veg or nothing, because we don't eat that. But some food we eat, don't talking, you know. Because look like you talk more than big sister. We don't come to kill you or do nothing to nobody. We just come for some food. It's a lockdown, and we are locked down for 3 days. You understand what I mean? So, me and my virgin attend your sister yard. What am I saying? 3 days we attend for.
Really?
Oh, you sound like you have attitude, so? You think the ice cream counter that's around, so? And the ice cream counter them, you know?
We can't say for 3 days.
Daddy, yo, come on there. Come talk to that young girl there. Because yo, sister, come talk to him now. Because I'm giving attitude like you don't know who we be now. Talk to her. Make she be wise.
She don't know
Come.
who it is.
Tell her who we be.
So we're not going to do that chain there?
Take her
to
chain,
now.
take her chain, man.
Hey, sister, talk to her.
I'm not saying nothing when them attack.
Take out the chain.
Yeah? Not saying nothing. Let's not say nothing at all.
Careful, I still and train her foot on the right now.
That's why you're a boy, man, kicking at your back here. Brown, chain her fast, quick and fast. Yo, put up your foot there, man. Put up your foot there. Close them up. Chain her like a dog. Someone I deal with you and your friend and your family in a brown. A man come beg you some food and you deal with man away. That me I tell you. A chair there we are like that with you and your sister, you hear that? Chair there like that. So me and my boss, blessing idea, yeah. Chair there like that with them are too nice money. Food I cook. You know, it takes so long, come like you want to let her go in, do it fast. When you feel like you want to chain up your sister if she get where you know. See, Spice and mad the whole around you know, and Shensi, you know. Spice and Shensi and mad the whole around you. Sexy though. Sexy, you know. Make sure you and then. Yo, check it good, you know. Hey, Shensi and Spice and mad the whole around you, girl, you know. Me so me can do about that car. That's what I'm on right now.
Don't turn on the fair.
Yes. You see me, car right now we locked down in our house right now for 3 days, you know, you see me, and 2 brownies, you know, you see me, 2 bartender, you know. Because I come beg her a pound of flour and a tin mackerel and she style me, you know, so right now we just running like we are sell carpet. You see me, so you don't know the thing about, yeah, what go on me channel, I see we short the back forward, yeah? Yeah, because you don't know, say, in general, if you steal the pot one, me have to watch them.
run water. Turn off one of water runs up. Up in the pot.
You know, so I'm general just call from England the fire. I mean, I make him know, so trade there with there like down, you know, the 2 bartender. And I just say thing, and we have cook some food.
Oh my God, that's a good one, is it?
Yeah, man.
Right now, right now the flour done cooking up.
Oh, yeah, some of
Yeah, man.
I eat some of my food today.
Yeah, only one thing left to do here now is to fry up. You know what I mean? But here now, bartender. You know what I mean? Just fry up the thing. What I go, I take up, look for me, man. I take up the bedroom, the master bedroom. You know what I mean? So that's the profile.
Come here. You chat too much, man. You chat too much.
You do what?
You know, see a gunman there, man, then come to kill we. You chat too much, your mouth go make you dead, you idiot. No say nothing when they come back around here. Keep your mouth shut. You want me say? They say we dead. No worry about it. Me have a plan for them. Me have some rat poison around there. Rat poison. You poison them. Then go on like them bad. Look how me mess them up. But when they come back around, nobody chatting on my girl. They will make me lose your life. You idiot. Yo, mind what you talk say. Because them man, they and sister, they don't play. They serious. You know how much people. Yo, shut up your mouth. When they come back attack, no say nothing. What me say? Not even smile, no say nothing to them, no look on them. It's soon come back. You can go and do it down. Are you really coming in there?
Right, what did you put in there?
Seasoning.
Remember, say, are you and your sister first at the evening? You know what I'm saying? Sister put tonight, put tonight. I'm not to line up season still. But anything I put tonight, I'm going to taste good. But remember, say, you and sister have to eat first. One work for me and you got to eat. So do one and do. Food ready, you know?
Yeah, I'm going to eat some now, you know.
But anyway, bartender, come in there.
I want to pay attitude shaggy man from there, you know.
You know, no. Sure, someone.
Go
Sure.
ahead,
Well, no, sure, yeah, you must give me gun. That one.
What is it?
Where you go there now? Go share or somebody fish can.
You.
Make it all them taste. Come fast. Yeah, man, share some food. Can come for them. Make it that taste right. Not no for about, you know. You're not a friend. Now you what? Friend, right?
Friend.
Now you're a friend too. A friend in need, a friend in need. Come in, my general. Make them taste some of the food there.
I want to first taste it.
No, give sister two of them taste. Taste some of it.
I want to make sure it's the food I want to put nothing in it, you know. Yeah, we look for man, sir.
Now give sister some eat some.
Yeah, make sure you swallow it, you know. Yeah, you were full of attitude. Well, right now, if me not feed you, you're dead enough hungry.
Loose hand, which kind of my food?
Look, he said, me tell her for low sir and then I should have dead for hungry, you know. Full of attitude. Yeah, full of attitude, you know.
Which one I get try to come? Try that. You know what you do.
Hey, woman, how you do? Know what you do, you know.
Alright. Eat some of my food. Oh, you know, very some food now. Everything good. I'm done eating now. Alright, bartender. Every time I call the bartender, what's your name?
Candy.
Go wash out the plate them and we soon have to cook one more pot. Because so we eat, we will keep a dance tonight or a party. When you're done, we want to send your sister go to the bar, carry the key, make sure you get some things. Because I think we're going to make a vibe. Because lockdown. Can't have boring vibes. And you go enjoy yourself tonight. If you buy gun pint, you have to dance and enjoy yourself and laugh and feel good. Me and your friend.
And when you did say I go again?
3 day lockdown, we're here for 3 days.
3 days.
Yeah.
When you're not gone, we don't have nothing else left in there, mean. We have to go cook again.
You will cook tonight. At least you don't go fat when you left.
No, I'm fat.
Alright.
Happy attitude, don't have, you know.
on.
Yo, get up.
Wash up
Wash
your
up your plate then. General said. So, you be attitude you have, you know. Ready?
Hold on.
No, stop calling me. Hello?
Yo, babes.
Yeah, what?
Where you there? I'm still over your yard, me no left.
So why you still not call me? You still over me yard? Where you over me yard?
Yo, me not too love how you chat to me still, no, me not lie. Yo, remember some used to buy your things, you know, man.
Yeah. I must have to do a lot down now. I can't move, you know. I'm do over my sister.
But you didn't tell me say over your sister there. You didn't tell me say over your sister there, you know. Yo, me come down your sister, man.
No. You can't come here, sir. You can't come here, sir. Because my sister, she don't even like if you come here, sir. You can't come here, sir.
Yo. Alright, later. Look at more.
You know what good for you? You know, say one smart girl, you work along with the program.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, so. Alright, once you do that, everything good. Now all the rest, you know.
Whatever.
Bartender, Candy, come in there. We not do go too far with you, but even now, we want 2 things from the bar. You know what I mean? So you go on and now. When a time for you pay for it, you come to this, so we don't care about that. But, we send a sister go down the bar, go for the things them. Where the shop key there for the bar.
Oh, yes, sir.
I'll go for the bar key to come. That's the mission. Come with the key now, where she there?
Yeah, come on.
Alright. Where you go though? We're on the bar get some things. You know what I mean? Want some rum and maybe 2 beer or Jagan or whatever. Let's get more on Guinness.
Okay for the bar.
Ask her if
Bar.
she the bar.
I want the over this, sir.
Alright.
Right now, let's go. Oh yeah man, deal with it.
What's up forget for them?
Right now, we're going to trust her in the general. We make sure we have this. Be attitude you have, you know.
Okay.
Be attitude you have.
If you live love in the earth, we can't live so. It's not good. You have a water for the kitchen because I don't like the cold water.
you. Come out of my house. Get up.
Show me. It's empty, you see empty. But this is an empty door. Yeah. Tell them I'm not a killer, but you're not listening. But now that you prove to me that you can't be trusted. So, tonight when you're asleep, I'm going to tie you up.
Hurry up. Doing good, Jonah.
No man, I mean I can't be a fair reason because after I go out my fake car and test her, you know. She a try to take up the gun then.
Yeah, yeah.
Where are you getting from?
Hmm?
Where are you getting from?
One more, come to go by yourself. I'm talking, come to go by yourself. Kiss feet.
Yeah, I'm able to tell myself one.
Yeah man, so you go and type it to them. Type it to them. Can't drink, don't do Yeah, more padlock. This one leg. Yeah, more padlock, this one leg.
Yeah, I'm not more father.
How much padlock is it? How much padlock is it? Use the padlock down there.
Ray. A Paul man, your man.
Where come and knock down my sister door for? Yes, what I'm thinking man, where come and me and watch out with Irish for?
Listen man, me not left till me come in, me not left. I know what, me not left till me see you.
You can't take excitement in my ear. So you go make your man know so you can't carry yourself. You can't carry yourself. So we must know, one going to pay sister, one to pay you. So do the right thing right now. Get him out of that place.
Who gonna come and me and come and watch me for? When I watch me for? How are this? What?
Yo, let me in man, let me in.
Go on. Since I'm in, now stay in. Since I'm in, now stay in. Sit down.
No, I want this one.
I want to ask you, can you cook?
No, me can't cook.
Realize say, are you woman and bag of things. You push come in here, you need to come here. But right now we're there, pan a lockdown. So we come at the bartender here, I say everybody a pop up. But everybody a pop up, a food we a cook, a 3 days what a cooking and lockdown. What go on and now, you know? We not kill a man. So you can food we are friend. We dey on 3 day lockdown and we just want food and relax and drink some rum until the lockdown done. Lockdown we can't have a yard. But for now, don't run put it, because we don't want, we not dead fear on the lockdown, you hear me? We not busy about your woman, not busy about you. If you can't cook, you don't make you run some boat. But for now, don't move. You see me and Bridget, we shoot people for fun.
Yo,
if you come to the test.
why you have a back?
But here now, this mission is not to hurt anyone. This food is to solve a situation. Because it's locked down and we want food. We not kill nobody. Where have a bag? Where have a bag? Oh, tin mackerel. Yo, yes if I know one, me and your friend. Ready now?
Sit down there, sir.
Go,
Yeah,
chin up him, chin up two of them.
Hold on, Panis and me, General.
Alright,
Come closer, wife.
go closer to your man.
That's why they have to go back here.
No, change me foot first. Change me because I'm the faster one. In the lockdown here, nobody in this house will die of hunger. Only thing we do is cook some food and drink some rum. And who want have fun. So here we know. Who are in the second boat now? I must have me cook for this there now. You have a cut the nail there now. Tomorrow maybe I have a cut the nail there now. Alright. So alright then, we need some flour again. So you know say flour and tin mackerel night here. Who no want to eat, who no veal, no van. Yo,
what they say, girl, there, my youth?
I was just going on a hospital and look, I don't see nobody in there.
Yo, not even no money, girl, now, my youth. I'm broke.
Broke.
Yo, oh yeah,
Straight up on the road.
yo, come in. See you. Feel like I can trust Red Crooks with the money?
I want to trust them boy there, you know.
Cause yo, about 10 places rob already, you know, dog, and not normal, you know.
Yo, bro, you know what? We need to lay low. Cause about 10 places broke, you know.
Man, I tell me to lay low, brother. You know want money? You think the government will give you no money or give me no money, brother? Me have 3 pitney for mine. You hear me I tell you? Me have to out here. If me could have, you say me know where boy all them people that live.
Yo, bro, anything I say, you know. You see me? Anything I say, me do it right now.
One more place, and we just split up the money and go on now, man. You hear me I tell you?
Yo, at which place? Different robber right now. We're more easier. Wait, the person now know go and do it right now.
Yo, this is bleach out bartender. Be a top seller guy in bar, you know. And I be a big grocery and them sitting in deal with, you know. Big shopping, you know. Big place I have membership to go there go shopping, you know. You hear me I tell you? I don't them want to go right now.
Yo, you know, say man, they are foreign. Yeah?
So come on then, no, man. Just
Right
mash
now.
up this right now.
Right now.
Yo, bad boy.
Yo, gentlemen, where you going?
Wake up. Everybody wake up. Everybody wake up. Blessed morning, you know what I mean? Sorry we have today in this situation, but it's not my fault, you know what I mean? And it's a lockdown, you know what I mean? So nobody will get hurt though, because basically, you know, so that's food we want for the 3 days. And we not beg. That's this week, we work hard, so we shouldn't have come to this. So everybody cooperate and everything will be great. We eat some food, we drink some juice. You know if you come here, you know, I don't like some man smartly, but you're there.
I never know what I'm doing here last night, you know.
Alright, so anyway,
How you reach over here last night?
what for breakfast? We want for breakfast. Come and see you know no bread, come and see no egg.
I don't want nothing to eat.
Why you don't want to feed?
I don't feel like to eat anything.
Your appetite cut.
Yeah, brother yard.
Yeah, man, me have egg and bread up on my yard.
You want know. Me see how you look on a girl there, you know. So me know say you really in love with her. Because that wish your life coming here for her. So you go up there for the egg and bread for her. And carry enough that means tomorrow she have egg and bread because 3 days there for you know. You know what I mean? So this is the 2nd day. So I don't want you to play with me, you know. Coming around with people. You see, if you, can you know? Simple. I don't want your woman. We're not here for woman. We're here for food only. But we're not beg no food because we're not beggars. We're warriors. You know what I mean? We work hard for want. And I boss who not pay we make there today. Because we would have, you would have film things in my film yard for cook. We would have my things in my yard for cook. We're a soldier. But it's because of that now, teamwork make it dream work. We're there so, and we need food. So you go get the egg and bread, bring come. If the egg and bread not come, and police come, you know say your woman life done. Because we do what necessary and we will escape. You see them big thing here? Move even the police them from the gate. Alright, so you know yourself, you don't know if you eat, she alright, you know. Because if you want dead for you, get dead for you, but food is here. You have a choice to eat, because we're not to you. Alright, so you go get egg and bread, go and go get your period right now. And come back enough. You know what I mean? That means you can serve for 2 days. Tall man.
Yeah.
Lucy making can go on right now.
Hold it, me, John. Any funny move? Head cut move.
I believe you know.
So,
I tell me say sister man in her head. No can no Philippine.
I tell her say she's sick in her head and she left her medication. She don't like take the medication.
You want to roll in it?
Yeah, man, pull this on.
You want to roll in it?
Pull your hand up, King, go on. The girl good man, no make girl go nowhere now. Alright, go and go get the thing them now. The egg and bread, fast, you know.
Alright, yeah, man. Yo, that's not too much man now. I soon come back, you know,
So you
babes.
not carry me?
Oh,
No, I
man,
soon
safe,
come back,
man.
babes. Relax, man.
You're not going nowhere.
Sorry, let me G. Yeah, man.
Chain up back she. Chain up back she, yeah. Make sure she chain up good. Candy, you have things that make veg soup?
Yeah.
Come show me the things them, right now. Yeah, you man General. General.
Yeah, me
What I'm going to do, you know, I make some veg soup, you know. That much I break the fast, you know.
You know where Rasta thing come down, you know.
Yeah, man, so yeah, come give me the thing them for veg soup. Free up she. Nobody move, nobody take her.
Good girl, Candy. Steffi, give me a pound of flour and a little tail mackerel.
You may say now. You may say.
Yeah, me
Where
tell
go do? Lock the grill out the side. Let me see, because one if you go out, you know.
Alright, him
So when you
General.
lock the grill and now, you can pay attention to she, because she can actually do crazy things. But she can make sure you wanna, look, Candy, come
Yeah.
up and down. You're not going to your sister.
Alright, me
So
General.
make she come back and forth. Then we can get some things, come on, put on soup right now. So Candy, come show me things that make soup
So,
right
give me that now, my General.
what
This
I'm
program,
going to do with them? How do you cook it? How do you
This
cook it?
program, the
Come,
whole
come.
city, you see me?
Come here.
Candy, round this up. Like you, know, sexy too. Yeah, yo. Be a icky man to put on your neck when you go on your man see it, you know. And bad. Boy, I'm going for egg and bread. Be attitude there from last night, you know. All night, you know, man, I sleep, you know, sure enough. The little sister now want to give man a little pound of flour and thing, you know, girl. But if you know, that's where things come down on the baby pan way. Baby pan the government. You see me call. When man hungry, you know, man hungry and without food, man in no mood. I never like how you look on me too, you know. Like you all want to say something where I never like, you know. That me I tell you, you know. I mean, much big food that sister have in our place or in our fridge over there. So.
Listen, tell us say, one chicky bite and then get away. But yeah, no. You see the bad man in the area. I don't know, nah, man. And if a little gun now left out the station, do you think you can manage them?
Just get one little boyfriend, you know, man. I mean, don't want dead left him, you know. Right now, I'm afraid of them, I don't want dead left me, man. Because me and him just start there, so I don't want dead left him.
So you understand what I tell you about now. So we are going to have a drink, and when the time up, we go to the yard, and then you can have a little child where you want to have.
Yeah.
And next time, get a bigger man and see if you can get a child fast. Come on, man.
Yeah, man.
What?
How that?
Officer J. Bus, you know, bartender. You know, it's a lockdown and we come from a special. Get rid of the police. You know what I'm saying? The sister there, you know. If you would know wrong, the sister go pay. Simple.
Get up fast now.
Get rid of him fast. Get rid of there, so. One wrong move, you don't go. Alright, them not like them corner here, you know. I tell you, man there foreign you can't come lock down with you.
No, me can't do that.
Since when?
Because he mark it before he go.
You know where about that? He marking, my size small.
Me no know that right you know. I'm a talk of where you come from.
The special.
You know, say your son about do me yard this is my home. But
I know you must have something there, man.
me I go for one class and come here. Hold on, me soon come.
Yeah.
Alright.
That's why you have to live good with people. I'll be give them permission, you know. So me always have my room to get. No matter where you go. So you see, when time me come in at the force, you know, I want them to know me coming at the force, you know. Drink rum and live life. Make money. If a taxi man, you tap a taxi man and in a hobby, you don't give a $5,000 ticket because you could have nice same shoes. Just kind of $1,000 making go on. If you tap 1 million and never know, you're nice, you know.
Hey, Soup lucky, you know. Him lucky because I'm sitting in the office now. Look, I not lose my life sake of him. And I want to get my pitney and live with my mom. I don't want to left him saying lucky. And I can see saying rate you too, you know. Because you don't hesitate or nothing. Just come same time for get around.
That's why we say Officer J Post is the best when it comes on to serving people.
Here.
You see what me talk about? You see what me talk about? So, you sure me can come in?
No, you can't come in. Like how me give you chase and rum, go find cup.
Alright, thanks. Yeah?
Thank you much, man.
Yeah.
If any boy rush you, call me. No, think, you know.
Thank you.
Alright. See you later.
Chase
Yeah.
the freedom.
I mean, Soup can't sit down there.
So what about the white man you need to tell me about? They say you set me up with one white man.
White man, well, that one they gone overseas, but yeah. You see, if you walk one of the white man them on the beach in a niggle on the hotel, all they have to do make Soup sign if you go patrol on the beach. Why you think enough of we run down on the beach? And there's some life there.
Oh, so that is secret.
Yeah. Tell the Soup say you want to patrol the beach. You find them. All they do. Yeah, you know, all do it like Soup. Because you know, they're in a police suit. Sometimes you know, show up your sexiness, you know. But if you make it, you can't drop all the guns some of the time on the sand and bend over.
Oh, so that is secret. Oh. Once we can for me remedy, they have to find me.
Me think you'll be back.
Yo, what you do, man? I better beat up a thing, you.
Go on now, man.
You just bust them chat there.
No, bossy, no.
And you alone in front of me with a lockdown now.
No, bossy. Honestly.
Why not back? Why not back? Brother, you gonna last. Run one of them slice of bread there. Can't believe it, man. But you don't know who the bus shot running. You can't style me. Bread back that. You remember say lockdown, I'm gonna lock you up.
So boss, wait for me there. In peace, mama.
How that? Paul. Oh, may I come?
Come here. No, I take so long to big make bread, daddy.
You know, say some police they tap me on the road.
Go ahead.
Everything in that bag.
Look everything in that bag.
Yeah, man.
Tell me, General, everything good.
Alright, so you put in the kitchen.
Yo.
Come on, boss. Sit back over there.
So So yo, my boss, when you say me can't live?
After the lockdown, everybody go in the yard. We don't really care about that. We just there to eat some food for the lockdown. Because right now, you better we stick up and eat some food and drop down. Yeah, so differently. The food come when you're done, mommy. You come fry some egg for yourself. No, me not eat egg, girl.
Your belly
For
too much.
Yo, yeah, man. Talk to your sister.
You know, say she sick up here, so. And she not get to take the medication. Remember me telling her before, when we give it to her, she don't want to take it. We have to hold her down. You know,
I might tell her when not good. Who for head not good.
she don't like take her medication. Girl, you see it, me tell her say you chat too much. Stop it talking, man.
Yeah, man.
Yo, talk to your mad girl. Because you know, I generally want to put her to sleep, you know.
All a big ugly rasta man you come talk about mad girl. You know who mad?
Yeah, just calm down, man.
Don't tell me to calm down. He might come talk about my mad. Him know who mad. Him look mad more than me.
Better me kill your man and make
Kill who?
Alright. But you may say no, you're true, we're there on a different mission. We're not on a mission for really hurt people. We're there on a mission to eat some food. So if you don't want to eat, it's okay. You know what I mean? I'm not afraid of egg for me.
You know, the long more I use the bathroom, I have to sit down here for all long. Why you tell me what?
Yo. I'm boss, please, just lose your arm, chico.
Come look my foot, man.
Candy. Talk to her more, you know, because we don't have the time. But we don't hurt nobody, still, I'm no good. Just know so no good. You know what I mean?
Aye.
A food we have focus on. We have to eat some food and enjoy yourself. Tonight, when we get back some rum, we have party tonight. When I say we have the party tonight,
Party.
lockdown. We not on COVID. We're supposed to be nice.
Alright.
Alright.
Come on, come on. Yeah, but talk on you, look.
Yo, lean back over. Yo, fire.
Yeah.
Why you get hype on that one? Because I'm have to watch you one in a row.
Alright, me do it.
Kill her today.
Alright. Come on, man.
Go on, boss. Me know you know my boss.
Yeah, man. You remember me? Remember say promise me a drink in a rasta.
Yeah. Me know you know my general, but here I know me that do some work, but the boss lay away off and me not get no money yet, you know.
So let me ask you one question. I lock down here now. What you do on the road?
Boss, you know, say one dog me a run down. And if you buy you a drink from what day to, you know, but you money not even to run yet.
God no. The dog thing where you talk about still, you know. Tick can't help you. You need a gun.
Me see you. You see me as a general. Me see you.
Go on, do road.
somebody that want to sick. You know what you say what we do? When a quarantine and in the pan road. All the dog catch COVID.
Hey, yeah, get up. No, let me get man around now. Where are you going to go? Are you in Shirley and Fraser? Come on. Alright. Boy, yeah, bro. Trouble you want to get money, you know. Go with us. Stop that. Don't move, you know. You love to run like Shirley and Fraser, your cousin and sister. You're fire. You're fire.
You hear me I say no? Yeah. What go on the road?
Yeah, man, me just want the girl, me just want her back down there saying I'm half done off, you know.
So you have to be careful when you're coming back. Yo, me talk. Me make the girl talk to her sister because she have to know say, yo, Candy. You're my bartender, you know. Don't play with me. Talk to your sister.
Yo, talk to your sister.
Hello?
What one?
Nothing.
We run out of here for girl. You want him one to kill me?
No, you run me, I run you. You know, what you want me to do? Me not have to run for my life.
So you not think about me. Me know say your head sick in a girl. Next time you take your medication before you come out of the yard. Yo, tap in eyes. You chat too much. Girl, you don't say they have gunpoint for me. You want them kill me. Come back in the yard.
All your sister got dead, all your man too.
Yeah, when I say all your sister go dead, so you have to be careful, you know.
Girl, come
You have
back
to
in
be
the
careful.
yard. You're the only sister when you have and your head not good.
Alright, me
Yo, give me some phone now. Yo, hey sister, you better you stop chat to you know, cause you forget man the pound of tin mackerel and the pound of flour. You cost all of this, you know.
Oi. Come on, master. You again?
Well, go on, my bossy.
You don't tell me you're going in quarantine.
And that my girl I got locked down, man. I tell me say I locked down time, man. I lock down my girl, man. How yourself, man?
Alright, go on. Then I kill about. A while ago, I see my Jackie girl, you know. But since that the girl saying good, me not responsive. I still call the phone. And to one girl, you know, already just dead. We drink and marry. Where I go down, sir? No. Check her out. Tell her go in the dark room. Lock up in the dark room. Yeah, man, lock up in the dark room. About 3 to 4 hours we want around there. No lunch. If you want to sister, you know, Candy. You see a girl there? Don't get to know herself, you know. Tell nobody not get hurt. Tell us food, one, you know. Man, let's just go through this for food, you know.
Remember, say me talk to you about her already, you know. Her head no good. You're deaf.
The next time you're around me, could I make your sister then dead? All your man top. Like that, you know, say you're mad, you know. Pay you right. What go on, the general?
Yeah, I know.
About 2 or 3 hours now, she on there. Be a bar, she a bar. With a hungry boy now too, you know.
Carry out now, she must learn her
Alright,
lesson.
general. What do you do the next one?
Yeah, me know. I think she learn her lesson. Let her out.
Anything I say now, my general?
Yeah.
When I gone there?
Yours. Yo, when gone there? Bartender, when gone there?
Yo, my general, me no know where them, me no touch him, man, me no touch him.
Yo, daddy, where man gone there?
Me no know, my general, me no know.
Your sister run me and some of the son who have a gun, so you think we gonna take. Where gone there?
Me no know where there. Me no know which party there, me no touch it.
Yo, make sure you say, no, I don't touch it, you know.
Where there? Search it, John. Search it fast. Get up.
Go on. Sure, you not touch it.
Me no touch it.
Yo.
Remember, we put it, man.
Come, everybody goes on. Go down.
Go. Sit down.
You see you? You need a psychiatric evaluation. Suppose I did make them kill me.
Yeah, we're go on now. Tonight is the second night of lockdown. Last night we said we were going to party, drink some rum and we jump asleep. Tonight we're going to party. We have more rum down at the bar. You better now. Look for me. Know yourself, you know. You see, after the lockdown done and the boss pay, we come give money. So know yourself about it. But tonight, you see that we don't want to ask somebody about nothing. It's like second night lockdown, you know what I mean? So we don't want it boring. Because we work too hard in the sun. If you don't enjoy yourself in the yard. Yeah. So what we do, we make your brother-in-law when we look more sensible. Go down to the shop, give him the key, make him go down there and get some rum. Yo, daddy, may I get back one flask rum again. So you're the general.
Yeah,
you go down the bar. You go down the bar. You know what I mean? Go get the rum or something. Nobody have for life. Because you know the routine of what go on. If you no funny move. You do that fast now. Anyway, you see as soon you may say now, as soon as him go and get the rum, me go hold a shower. You know what I mean? What kind of clothes your man have there? Can't fit me?
Yeah, you wear some and some of them new, you may have some new one in there.
Can't fit me, I'm general.
Yeah, same body built. He weighs a 32 one in your large. Sure.
Alright, so go and get some of them. But you may say now, go get the rum first.
Yo, my general, me no can get one shirt put on
Yeah,
pants and beard or something.
If you follow routine, maybe by tomorrow. But tonight, you go party and I said to that one. You hear me?
No, we have to change. Can't party in a still because we have to change.
Hello,
Anything in general.
We have to change.
Hello, Sickhead. Don't play with me.
It's alright.
Yeah, man, the boss one head in a yacht.
But you look like mad, you know.
One to me.
Is you never mad?
Are you mad? You look sick more than me. Come in.
Bad man, you car, man.
Do it fast, General. Do it fast. Not the police, not the attack from police. Lock it up. Alright, here we go on now. Come, show me the clothes then. You have a sofa for me, General.
Ah, me general.
Tear up enough, because she give the problem enough.
Yes, I chat too much, you know. Stand up here.
Try mine what you do with that.
Make sure you don't try
Try mine what you do with that.
Yeah. And yesterday, you go on with a bad attitude, you know. Be attitude you have from yesterday.
You're lucky, I'm supposed to.
You know, so be a motor, but you know, say, come here, come on, then DJ, me I tell you, this me I want your DJ fan, you know.
You try mine what you do with that, you know. You try mine what you do with that.
You look someone that come pan up.
You can't do nothing.
You know that.
Not all you can do.
Django, surround me. Yeah, come in now. Where's that?
You carry clothes them still.
Put them on the machine, that's all. Go back inside, everything good in a man. You hear Candy? Candy?
Yes.
Everything good in a man. I want to feel no way now. You hear me?
Yeah.
Everything good there. Go on do your thing. Go back in the yard. Move forward.
I'm saying, I know you love it when.
Yeah, but every man get born and every woman get born.
Yo, you out there.
Yeah, me alone, Jay.
Make sure, you know, come in.
Oh, I'm going to buy rum
No,
and
sit down, sir. Sit down, sir. Fast.
You're not getting none of them. None not get.
Yo, give me that.
Oh, that's easy, man.
You got to tell us, you know, say one killer fan last night. Well, I'm have to do it good, because remember I say me have a gun. When I come here, so, you see me? Remember I say me have to take it out. You see me? So me have it. Are you ready? Ronnie, sit down over there, sir. Pull that thing up that you throw in there. Strong. Yo, you know, be strong rum you have in the shop down there. Bad man rum. Be a bad man thing you go on, you know. Hot, right. Hot, bro.
Give me a son now.
Yeah.
Your time for baby now.
Me there, come just a whole of one thing to you know.
Yeah, man. The time hot, you know. So everybody has sweat. Alright. We go party and cool down.
Yeah.
So you want know. You go be there now.
Alright, bro.
Yo, can you give him some clothes?
Yo, I'm musky in a bad man wear, you know.
Come on, let's go.
Make sure say I could tight up something from bars and make man wear to you know.
So you get to rub them daddy. Go party now and with the vibes. Don't worry yourself, man. Nobody not dead. You know what I mean? Nobody not with earth. You know what I mean? Them a thing ya danger.
And your friend a roommate.
They talk a little bit too much. Your daddy be see how you carry you rub them come. A good move. The place hot. You try to get an AC here. But him say, get a boom box. You see boom box when I go, carry come. It a work.
Yeah.
Carry come. Candy! Come in the boom box, man. Yo, carry some of them come. And carry them come.
Bluetooth mode. Bluetooth connected.
I will tell you.
This is Jamaica, Jamaica. Jammy Wood with short brown flame. Curious King.
I come tell bad man about man can't wine. How she know man?
Wine, cause you drink rum like rum stand up in the head.
But, yo, hear what? Two gun, all of them.
Oh, you go here, you can party, your party. No, me and your party.
Oh, yeah, me? You're a man.
Man at top, man a we. Stepping on the party, everything well smooth. Girl, I wine go down and man up, let me know. Where she a move, she get me in the mood. The rats rough, but she a move rude. So she want the up there, up there, up there. Anywhere we go, we party daddy. But she young girl, that shake the body. Either the Benz or the Audi. Man a top, man a wee yardy. Anywhere we go, we party daddy. Watch a girl, them a wind the body. Either the Benz or the Audi. Man a top, man a wee yardy. After the party, things are gonna run. I got the weed, she got the rum. After the party,
Yo, put your legs up, put your legs up. Candy, on the timer, timer.
Wait, Trini.
Timer.
Yo, cool man.
Yo, Rasta boy. Yo,
Phone coming
yo,
up.
tapping eyes, man. Tapping eyes. Tapping eyes. Yo, easy with the eyes, easy with the eyes. Yo, you see table turn right now? And we have the angle, you know. And you have a blade. So just ease yourself. I feel all trigger happy right now, so I just don't want to put all two in your head right now, you know, and kill you and your Rasta idiot friend.
I'm a move, sir.
Yo, take time with the man tapping eyes. Get in exchange, Candy, and chain up in your foot.
This time man off the drink.
Yo, chain up in your foot. Yo, we are going to do Yo, nice the man, take time with the nice. Yo, go on. I just saw us stand up right there, so. And Candy. You see, as soon as the Rasta come around here, so, we just knock him out and take a gun from him. Alright, you are going now. I got hide behind the kitchen door. I want to pretend like we're not going to party same way. See, as him come in, I just stick him up and take the gun out of him. Alright?
anywhere we go, we party daddy. Watch a young girl that shake the body. Either the Benz or the Audi. Man a top, man a wee.
Yo, don't move. Give me this.
Oh,
What is that? Yo, camera on us.
Hold the gun for me.
Alright, man. Sit down, man.
Yo, you what one? We'll call the police. Tell up your rasta. And pass my phone to me. Yo, hello? Nigel police station? Alright, you what one? You know say some gunman stick you up and we take away them gun from them. And we just need no assistance with over Nampel Heights. I mean so now no gas in our vehicle. What kind of joke thing this man? Yeah, I understand so now no gas in our vehicle and bag of people are calling with prank call, but this is not a prank, a serious thing. Yo, alright, we deal with this self. We hungry, we deal with this self. Alright, look more. Alright, you walk on. You see since the police they don't want to assist me. Just make me just tied up and kill in my bedroom. Make me move to the bedroom.
Jamaica people way slow down. Yo, Candy, now you're afraid of them.
Yo, Rasta, no bother the bag of chatting. You know? Yo, Candy, hold this. No, go along with you. Yo, Rihanna, come and talk. You know, say, last night I didn't sleep good night at all. Yeah, really? I don't think I want to do one more night or so. So I think the best thing to do, I just the Candy gun, I don't have one big gun already, and the things that you can monitor.
Yeah, man, should
two rasta. Yeah, I think you can monitor two rasta them. The police come in the morning.
Alright, then I could get and come then. No?
Me and Rihanna decide say we'll go me now. So here we are gonna do. Watch it two of them till the morning.
Yeah, man.
Police will come pick them. Alright?
Yeah, man.
Rihanna, go for one chair me can stamp on. I know say you're not really gonna man, you know, you're a bartender. But I know you can do it. I'm confident and believe in you.
Yeah, man. I can't deal with them case, man. A policeman and soldier man used to deal with, you know. And a policeman buy me my bar. And he used to show me how to shoot the gun, you know. So I know how to keep it on cap.
Rihanna, come with the chair now.
The chair, yeah? Where can put it?
Put it right.
Alright.
Alright, we're not tiring, Candy. Just do anything. Come on, Rihanna.
Settle yourself and make sure you stay angry good enough.
Don't say alright.
You know some person like a Candy? They will gun power.
I like him.
You know some person like a Candy? They will gun power.
Me not like him.
Yo, I didn't beg me not to hurt you, I'm not hurt your sister. Your mad sister, because I be a mad thing going on. You see it going on. You know what I say? But me I say though, you know what I say right now. We are good people. Enough time I give you a tip when I buy things like bar for you know. You're my favorite bartender, I don't understand what you do like say, you know. I just come for some food. And to me know say I'm not kind, I have to use the weapon. But I won't go pay back some money afterwards still. So we intention was good. We just go about things the wrong way.
Me not sure about what you are telling me say, you know. You can tell me anything and try to convince me, but me no fool. You come in, you stick me up. The sister come in, you stick him up. My brother-in-law come and stick me up. What kind of gun point you know have fun with? I want him.
When it comes to food in a time like this, food is needs. You know what I mean? When you come at the bar, you want a drink, but food, you can't do without food. 3 days without food, I don't think that's healthy. So I know say a girl part have food, but we can't feed more than half of them about because you have it, you know, you're hard working. And we're hard working too, but you're a woman. We're going to get extra money. So I know say have money and your money come from foreign. I know say a man a foreign, your husband are foreign and things. So you like me now as a sufferer. A simple mathematics, me have them thing here, and them thing they are Jamaica the most. You know what I mean? So I just use it to advantage, but we not kill you. We not hurt you. You get up people like me, so we just start then. We just use the protection, we protect you smartly, but you never dare see that.
Protection?
Yeah, me protect you. The virgin like you do, if I'm fine to come at that bar.
Speak for yourself. One to him. You can't speak for yourself.
You take up your mouth, so you go talk.
I'll feel more to stay someone, I saw if you stay.
Well, me I tell him virgin because he like you. You know what I mean? I'm more into different things.
Yeah, no. Him can speak for himself, you know. But he have to go stay over this one, see you you so. No talking for you.
You can't think you have to
No man, when I'm ready, me take your time out and him talk. I don't need you to talk for him. But me not like how he told you just come down upon we so. And come have we upon and need them lockdown thing here. We can't go door, we can't do nothing at all. Me not understand.
No, apart from that though. It's okay today, so I'm not tell you know. But you cook some food tonight, because our food you come and find. And a gun pint, pull up, you know.
So you really take away?
I ensure that you don't get food. The night you don't get.
Ensure you don't buy nothing yourself?
Yeah, but I cook it though, because I can't really cook.
Don't worry yourself about food. Because you see which part you not go. You not go get 3 meals a day. No rent to pay. And no rules to obey. You understand?
You not do that to me. Because you lose 2 good customers. Number $1,000 pay with my bread and spend when you get paid. Last fortnight we come to come Shelly bar. You drink till almost drunk. You forgot? But tell us after this is done, I go give you a money for the 3 days, then the food you eat, you buy back that. And just to the boss, no pay away. We not beg things from people, boss come check you for £1 of flour and tin mackerel. I react a certain way. You hurt the man's feelings. You know what I mean? So it's alright then. If we can't get the £1 of flour for you, we spend some money with you. Might as well come chill out on the weekend then. So I owe you somebody for the food we eat. So we are going to like a one big deal. We never shoot on no. We could not tie up now. Make you walk up down the house freely, make you go bed. You know what I mean? And all these things. But everything good though. You want to run. You want to say, man, because I don't have too much long talking tonight still. But man, everything good, man.
Risha? Hello?
Hello?
What going, girl? Where there?
No, me out.
You know what? Me I come circle you right now, right now. My outer road I come down.
Don't wait for me. I didn't know your curfew time I know.
Me no response. Me I come look for you right now. Me I walk a come.
Alright, then do what I do.
Yeah. So make sure you come out.
Yeah.
Alright. It's one.
Yo, where I go? Don't move.
No.
Give me this, man. Yo, you see if I see that face here again. Anyway, you see that face, I make sure you say no know that face here. You hear me tell you? My friend like you too. So anybody me here say you tell us you see we. And we take your phone from you. You will hear about it. And your mother will hear about it to the ear. You hear that? Run off. No, hello, oi. So you go. Go so.
You know what?
You can get girls. Yo, you have to respect the stripe. You get them with all drugs. You get them with any little thing when you know it's illegal for the law. I could have one knife. You get them go to Greenville and you that.
And money me I talk about, money making, you talk about girl.
You talk about money. You think money can breed? Let me teach you something. Money easy if it come. You see girls nowadays, it's a good, that's why I'm going to force. Because my cousin give me the link and I'm coming there. I saw me coming to force in the car. You see me, I was a thief back then. And so why now my blood can't come out. So even if, you have to understand, getting a girl is hard for me when I was a thief. Now I'm a police, the stripe. You go down upon them, and when you don't see them with nothing, you just put a gun upon them and say, Mama, come, you go to prison. Right now, me have 1 pound pin down. 50 kilo me catch him with.
What you say? Where am they?
Me let go that man, the one there for me. Not even corporal and so one time me push her out.
But you're a madman.
Madman is
J-Post, you know no sense.
With that?
You know no sense.
Me don't understand.
When you feel like go at the room and your belly, you only got jugs. How much money we can make off of that on the beach? We can reach out to that.
Boy, I don't know what to tell you, say, but that richness they have to go wait today. Because me done put her out. And me can't carry her back in. So all she have to do is care what she promised me. You see, if she don't care what she promised me, then you can take charge.
So what she could have promised you so over money?
The fruit.
Which fruit?
The one that Adam refused.
But you're no madman, J-Post.
God provided, me I take it.
But Jesus Christ, At the wrong partner me get. You know, madman, man.
Me glad you know say the wrong partner you get. You say it out your mouth, you know. Yes, when me I go up on a mission there, I go to Greenville Hotel. Don't come with me.
J-Post, God know. Me never know say I say you stay. God know. But alright, come on.
Oh, what,
miss?
What?
The two wanted man them. Them take on my phone.
Who?
The two wanted man them.
Which wanted man?
Them come on TV, Jay.
Enough for them the funny. Which one?
One of them have red hair, them have big belly, and one of them
The one that sound like a Red Bull.
in face look
You know
ugly
Red
man
Bull?
in favor like.
I mean, if you tell about them man there. So
Them
what
run
are
this
when
one.
no, don't pull me. Don't pull me. I'm an officer. Respect this tribe. What you saying now?
Don't they so?
Look, come on, squad.
We are go.
If you want to live, you run with we.
Mama, where are you? Come here, sir.
No, you forgot there. No, you're police.
Police now? What is that? Anybody come and shoot. Go on.
What ya?
Squad.
Yeah.
Oh, down, sir. Where say road clear? Clear as crystal. All right, thank you. All right.
J-Post.
Come, give me back that.
J-Post. How will you just call?
No, man, just call someone. You what? At lunchtime now, you know. Me and Corporal will take lunch. So you what you going to do? You go down a station, lodge a report, and not tell Soup say see. Just lodge a report and say, the man they rob you now.
So you have to go down there, so I'm going to go there, so.
Yeah. I go buy egg and bread and I go buy Milo.
Yeah. Yeah, go down there, so go buy Milo, I'm go buy egg and bread.
Remember some mummy say we should go and shop together.
Listen me, I'm your big sister, so you go do what me tell her to do, and you're not going to roll me. And whatever you want to go tell mommy, you go and go tell her.
Hey, look, boy. Come here. Who's in the shop?
My mother.
I'm like a Senegal shop, and you know, say you're Senegal shop like this in these times. So that's my one, the money I do, yo.
This is what I do.
It's alright, me get your reward.
Yo. Forward no man, where you there? I must say we have the last something to deal with now. Alright, hurry up man, hurry up. Forward. Alright. Take out any pocket. Hurry up. Come on, man. Come on, next pocket. Hurry up, no man. Next. Come, take off his mask. Run, man, run.
Yo, make me stop customer. I'm tired.
You might something I want me to do every day while in the Palm Beach. Look, white girl. You see my friend? And that's how you get replaced up there, you know? Up there, she gone and try to find a white man.
So you want me get replaced? Me no like the location. Me no like the work at my place here. Me like the on the beach round the tourists. Me get me tip. See them I get white shoes. Me no like work in them area. Yeah.
You lucky, you get both. Me one pair of shoes that me did have. When me hear shot, bye. We jump in the agency there. Soup has near for way. Me can't even make soup see me night. Cause you see soup, every day soup come in, soup sit down and right. And he said man go to the bad man here and them got. You know the next thing when me do soup, I go and call him and tell him man their wife do away.
We there so already man. So how hustling go? Cause when me dey on the beach, you know, me can hustle tourists now. Them man they walk and sell on the beach, me take what they have and sell it back to the tourists. So me make my money and me can get the tip and so. How hustling go right in a fear area so?
Well, this is the getting, you know. All me do, we get 2 slices of bread round us and rum and just slice some gunshot because me I tell you say, you see, round us so every day shot fire.
So your belly you live for?
Well, me not nothing to do in Air Force.
Alright, here what? Me I show you how hustling go, me I show you my way, how I make money.
Hold it! Hold on! Where I run for?
Stand up.
Brother,
Where
touch your pocket, brother.
Oh, I stand up yourself. How am I? A police they deal with you. How am I?
Where I find you?
Yeah, we killed me in the office, because I know nothing illegal. Boss say no, say your daughter me go link boss.
What you say?
Boss, daughter me go check.
Hold this, sir.
Boss say daughter me go check in.
Hold it, that's hold it.
Boss say I'm cranky show your boss.
Alright, crank up it. Pass it give me now, because no bullet now in there. Jail you have a
Hey, dad, we go check.
Jail you have right now. Right. Yo, it's the first day upon the job. I will solve a case.
Yeah man, that's how you go man. But here how we are going to do now? We are link your parents and we are use a picture there for blackmail them and collect a piece of money off of them and Lego youth.
AJ!
That sounds like it's a plan because guess what, I'm tired of this. Yo miss, stop this. Where are you going with the belt?
No man, I'm a belt to me have on my waist. Not fret man, I don't know worry about.
Me just hear you call a local pitney name. I only hope I don't want local pitney a beat with a belt, you know. Because listen me now, one time when I was young, you know, my mother used to give me some lick, half a yam piece of bulla out of the jar, you know. And I have a part same way, you know. That's why I'm going to the force because I see uno mothers now, we are beating the pitney because of man and because of stress and not take you out on the local pitney them. I tell you the truth. The law pass for lock you up. I'm going to mind shooting on the foot. For all the pain and suffering and make you put them go through.
I not lick my youth still, you know. And my belt, as I tell you before. I not lick my pitney. I go through too much pain asking for your butter bruise, my baby, you understand? Belt to me every more years. Nah lick him, man. Just I call him because I can't find him. I don't look for him.
I not tell you to look for your youth, you know. But I just warn you. If I get a complaint say a mother beat them youth, today, yeah, I'm going to you, me come for you. Take time, go on. And hurry up to come, remember say a lockdown. You turn up there? You walk like tick-pop.
Alright, you know. My pitney. When me put you on it, put you back for me. I'm going to kill him with liquor and hole, you know.
So what you know?
Here, me have some business to go deal with. You know. I have one girl and some money to go pick up. So
Me man go chop.
So we are going to link up back later.
I go for top and get some rum. Because you know, say, me love my rum and I be a bad man on that.
Tell you if you love what the rum thing there, you know, here, you know.
If I never that the rum, they want to walk around and say, you see, I be a bad man there, so. Look how more, man.
Hello, Keisha. What happened? You know, say me send the two pit them go shop and he lick the two pit them last money. Me say I just give little girl some licking run gone. And AJ him gone too, you know. Me can't find AJ, you know. But you see me find him, I murder him, you know. Alright, then if you see him, you make me know. Alright, then just give me a call. Alright, thanks. AJ! Come here, me not beat you.
Me nah come here, go beat me.
AJ, come here. AJ. Hey boy, come here. Hey boy, come here. Hey boy, come here.
Daddy!
Come here. AJ.
Auntie Candy.
Where you do? AJ, where you do?
Mommy want beat me.
Where you want beat you for? Come here. Next time you call me from outside, man, you can't run come in a danger like that.
AJ. You want me, sir?
I come then come in for me, you know.
You have gun.
What you mean me a gun? Me a go start make people kill me? As when me tell you before, I come then come in for me for rob me. And they come tell me about them come for lockdown. Lockdown? Say they hungry? Girl, give me a call. Cause me need to call the police them. A time for them come now. They light out and should have there already.
You know some phone dead though, Candy. Unless you want to go for my next phone, can come give you.
Yeah man, go see it. Cause me need to make a call. Me need the police them to come right now.
Alright then. AJ, come. AJ, you know, so I can't believe say you really lost the money. You see how things set between the whole of when you and your father. Nah, man, no, AJ. You have to just understand, say, me have to go through if you make a little money, you eat a little food. You understand me? Answer me, man.
Yes.
Alright, so more when time I go a little money for go shop, you know, make sure say it's secure.
Just give back the thing them, man, and free the thing. You know what I mean? Free the lock them. And nothing no go on. We just go and build like nothing no go on. You know what I mean? Because at least the thing go on, we just cook some food and thing. But today last day, tomorrow no free again. So tomorrow should be a day for you to get money. Because we get money tomorrow, so we can go and check that piece of money said way.
Me can't put my confidence in a Uno. For trust Uno. Me don't lose my confidence out of Uno and it break. Till it can't break no more. No more confidence no did. You understand? When me come give you back gun now, me no know no up to. Me can't make you go palm hands with my life like that. No.
Oh, you forgot me? My girl, remember, I said, I catch you with 50 key of coke, you know. You have to come check me, man. Come over Greenfield Hotel. Yeah, man, come. Check, man, for idiot. Oh, are you this? Hello. My girl, you asked me which family they me over Gulf Post. Come to you, man. Yeah. Hurry up too. Thanks. I say Greenville, you're come Greenfield, you're come tell me.
So why you call me over here in the bush for?
Remember, I said I catch you with 50 key, you know.
No, a £10.
Well, anything you can call it. Me can say a 50. And me write in the book. I know you. So if you want to go to prison right now, mash up the deal and you see what happen.
Well, anyway, we can't do nothing right now because I might time my month.
And sit up, get up. Get up and vote. The last girl sit down by my gun. No shot, now fire out. Get up. What's here? Go on. I hear what? Next month, the 5. The deal is on.
Candy, see phone, I make it call.
Yeah, man. Thank you. But no service now in my room. So I have to go in the living room go make the call. You understand?
Oh, alright.
I want to sit down there so. Give your eye upon them two you for me.
Alright.
Any move they make. A matter of fact, you see any little move they make, shoot them.
You can't use it, Candy.
You don't know if you use it?
No, so go on with him, you watch them.
Listen, I don't want you pull the trigger and shoot yourself. So guess what? Stay right there so. Give me a call. Holla for me. Loud.
Yeah, you know me call
Any
you.
move they make. What me say?
Any move.
Okay. Alright.
Brownie, you know me for a long time, so we're warrior. I normal work next to your yard, we build your house. Enough time, when we get paid, we send the money come give you for your picnic. You know what I mean? So what you do now, go talk to Candy, Candy realize some sense in it. Because we spend enough money in bar too. You know what I mean? And if we get locked up, and we're there behind bar, I want phone call. You know you go. So go and go talk to her.
This a phone here ring at them police station here and a big here busy signal me I get. Phone just a ring and me not get no answer. What am to them police here? Where are the runners so? Me not tell you to watch him and them.
I know me for watch them, you know, Candy, but a good youth them, you know. Them by you know them and me know them, you know. I say regular them come support the bar, you know, and them help me with the youth them, you know. So if you understand still, you know, you see it. Good youth them regardless.
People who know you, them will kill you. People who you know will kill you faster.
So this too big on you. Hold on. Police.
I'm the boss.
What you not do with them as eh? What not do with it? Eh? 2 women in a one house. What not do with them? And money we come for still, you know.
Everything
so where there?
today.
Come on. I bar money me come for. Yo, watch that one.
You will go, man. I can't lock down.
Yeah, dry no man. Watch me.
No, I'm not free, man. Yeah, boss, yeah. You already have money.
Hurry up, man. Hurry up now. Hurry up now. No, sir. How can I part? But you're not normal. I want to go in there, sir. Eh? How can I? A traffic in here, though? But you're big on me, man.
Why me not know me so sad?
Eh?
How much gunman there in Jamaica?
Or yourself, man. The government calls that. Think me did want to gunman. Eh? So hold on then. So now you 2 me see you there, man. But anyways, I know that me come about. Yo, where money there? Give me money.
Me not have no bag of money, you know. A JPS money me have.
Yo, nobody with the bag of chatting, man. Yo, give me money now. Hold on. Knock me back, John. Give me a card. My pin. Write down your pin. Come, go on. Hold on.
You're browning. A bad man, you know. Brown girl like a man, if they are man foot, you know. But me see I have 2 pick near your foot. Although I can't mind a pick now.
Little boy, where you do on the road?
Mommy left me up a yard and me a look for him.
Where you live?
Round son, but me go check down the Auntie Candy if he done there.
A curfew, you're not supposed to step on the road. Come and carry down, come.
Yes, squaddy.
Yeah, man, me done do what me do. I little boy, one little boy say he lost and he can't find his mother.
Too much careless mama there, but man, me I come.
Man, carry me around. You know where Candy live?
Yeah, man, me know where Candy there.
Alright, meet me around there, so.
Alright, me I come. Yeah, man, stay down there, don't move. Go on, man, don't move.
Candy! 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 Go in. Come here. I'm shut. You! If you know what you do, give up yourself.
Boy, lap chat and top chat with me. How you do?
You call police.
Lap
Go on.
chat in a year.
Alright.
I'll get one of them Glock.
Alright.
So, yes, boss. Yeah. Gunshot of fire, so.
Boy, that woman and normal in her brother, me I tell her say, yo, be a man, me see her around there, lock up in her room. But, me rotted. No, man, a genocide have to go on at this, man, because you come in a place now, you can't leave you alive, my boss. Can't leave you alive either. We don't left people behind, you know. We don't left evidence. You know your boy.
Nobody kill them.
Yeah, me I tell you, so
I'm
shut
a
up.
family then.
Shut up. You hear that?
Listen to me now. Me don't want you kill them. Me have one little piece of money around there so when me have put on, cause me would have hungry so me don't want to give.
Oh, it's a lie. You don't tell me say no money around there. Eh? Yo. Follow him. Look a boy, don't look on me.
You always say money there.
You might barrel over this one. You don't mean I barrel. Oh, you know something I forgot? In a drawer over there, so in a dresser drawer.
Whatever, okay, shoot down.
Over that drawer, there.
Okay.
Breathe.
Yo.
Breathe.
Kill me.
Yo, what is it? Get it. Yo, look.
Boy, I take too long to Yo, get up. Hold on, get up. Gossa na, man. Boy, gossa na. Shh. Boy, gossa na. Boy.
Yo, what really are going on, so? What really are going on, so? I need an explanation right now.
Officer, I'm my thief. He my criminal. Other one they save with.
Somebody was dead in here tonight, you know.
Man, are you?
Freeze, boy! What you do? What you do, boy? What you do? Take, hold on, you big and fat. What in the table? One
J-Post, let me deal with the boy. Let me deal with him.
Squad your police?
No, man, I want a good one. That ain't good, man. Come on.
Salman.
Watch out, they want to change up. They want to change up. General, good man, the general.
Go down there, sir. Go down there, sir.
Backside! You know who them? The most wanted man and know me turn coming shop.
And what you say?
Don't worry, your head, your turn soup. Take him now. Take him
Go
up.
out the beach again. Get up, boy.
It's a lot down here now. An issue, you know. I see it.
But the amount of things that we go through still, you know, it could never be normal. But anyway, you see all that what we go through, we could forget about that. Because at the end of the day, that the man they save we over here, so you know. Seem like I'm save we. Tall man, you know, so me appreciate what you do for we do. And you save we life. All of my life of bartending, none of them they story there, not epic like this a story. What happening at this a lockdown thing. You understand? God no. But we're glad me get over it still.
So come, I could just end it in the right way.
Know yourself, man.
You can cook up, you can put on a pot.
I can cook some food for now.
And we just drink some liquor and we'll have vibes.
Yeah, man, drink or no one drink, you know?
So get the liquor them.
Can I watch you now? You know, some me come beg you the tin mackerel and the pound of flour. I not never intention did for me say come lock down the place, you know. But she make me feel all the way, my feelings all the day too, you know. But watch you now. Mama said I'm sorry the boy I try for you take all the little money you just have feel like bill. You just have to show him a gunman skill. Yeah man. I like to tell Mama, I mean you can go out for your date anytime I ready. Just call my number.
Who is it?
I'm me, man, and J-Post.
Come inside, the door is open.
Yeah. You know, so you me come for link. Just book the boy them. You see what going on a while ago? It was not normal. Them man they are all murderer, all thief. So when me friend come back and see them. Come in the expect to come see them, the man they here. So well, now give thanks to my friend. He is a hero.
Big up my general.
He is a hero. But as a virgin still, I hit the comfort.
Where you come from, boss?
The tool. I hit the comfort. I can't understand it.
You don't help you and protect the people. Man.
You know what me want to say for now? You will soon know. So anyway still, what I never plan to do?
You know, so we have time to keep on party a little more, but no rum not there. But we will get rum later, man, so you can come
Oh, you can rum later?
Yes, man.
Me come back. Feel me bad boy, remedy.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
But if you keep party, you take in crowd, and in a lockdown time, you have to be careful of how the people will take in.
Squaddy. We no business about that. This when bro got leg on the big party them, I spread it. So you see this a party, I just move there so.
And the criminal, what the party them, I let in the criminal them that me a talk about.
Criminal are in the church. Me don't know what you talk about.
J-Post them a criminal are different.
Alright, burn it down.
Alright, Rasta.
Remember, say me own your thing in the J-Post.
Remember, you know.
Big up yourself in the squad.
And a flash no one this time, you know.
Buckle your beat, Jana. Buckle.
Rum shall kill I.
Love rum, I say.
What do you want to eat, honey?
I'm gonna eat some crushed ice, some curry shrimp babes.
Alright, don't say party. Never look about it here.
So fire, so what we going to do in the morning?
Well, right now, lockdown no reopening. We're not done work until we get some money. You know what I mean? After when I do that. So, I go and brace and so I go on. We have to tool them, you know. But we not move like a ready fool then. So, if no money no run, we just not do no work. We just go and build so till money come and we could all take holiday too.
Still in a fire. We have make job every work, you know, because the amount of work we do, you know. And to the way my daily do, you know, we make sure we pay for every inch of work for, you know.
The lockdown, yeah. It's a lockdown we don't in a history book. Yeah, the police were coming to the place in fussy, you know.
Lucky say Remedy one save him, you know. Bossy, what going? No, bossy, we not start doing no work, you know, because you know. We do so much work for you and see you just turn your back power on the weekend and give you no money, bossy, and so much work what we do for you. So I think you should have come talk about say, yo, if you do no work. I think you tell you some money if you reach you in idea.
I'm talking there.
Yo, fire one give a chat.
Yo, more understand say, you know, we are the builder of Jamaica, you know. And we are get underpaid, we still a work same way. You know what I mean? No matter how far this steel weighs, the cement weighs, we still not go. You know what I mean? And every day we are working on a build a place, daddy. You know, say lockdown will come down. I man, them want to vote for lockdown in the country, you know. So enough ensure say people who are work for, you know, get money, daddy. You see, all the labor of them, you know how them survive it. You know what I mean? Because if me and Mason, I'm from Virginia, so Mason said we. You know what I mean? What you think about the man who get less money, daddy? You know, if you know, daddy, you know. I want to make the country vile, you know. This you know to know the mood of me this morning. After, yo, I just one thing, I just through the weekend work over different way, get some food to eat. Man tell her, we are dead for hungry by now. You know what I mean? So, when if you know now though, you pay a yard. You see, if anybody so far you live, we find a yard. You know what I mean? I'm going to see have a big dog, them kill a couple of dogs, them and come in your house. Come eat food, because lobster and them sitting down up on the yard and them sitting there but food that did there. No, no, man. Yo, talk to them, man, come in a long talk in the morning, you know, you not even know, you know.
Ah, boss, I'm glad to hear me I say. What color car? Fire him, so I'm line up it with him secretary to deal with it now. Yeah man, quick o'clock, boss, quick o'clock, we there and wait. Quick o'clock, we there and wait. We there and wait, alright.
Mama called me so she forward down. You know, today.
Come like your days in the week, nicer than your weekend, man.
She pregnant again. So
wow.
Rough, but you know that you're there for. Just make some youth come on road, you know what I mean? So next one upon the way, so I'm all alive, you know you go.
Anyway, we are work still, so anything possible, youth, anything.
Fourth youth now, you know what I mean? So
yeah, watch it, it sound like a man that call, you know.
Check out the man.
Boy, fire, come like the boss, really, you know. Two and give you know, one for me, you know. Long time in fair do this thing and fire. Long time I must be set with some aid that you see me. Fire. Where this a boss here take me for? Labor and money this him send come give you, you know. This is not chairman money.
Karl Marx, I'm going.
Let me deal with man.
I'm going to mistake you, man.
No man, this is more than a mistake. A labor and money, this is one day money then. It's not pure if we hold away work.
Carl, no you must say.
Bossy, what I go on? No, everything not good, you know. You can't give chairman money, labor and payment, G. What this? Yo, talk to fire right now, yeah, man.
Burn it down. Yeah, where's that going now? Oh. We're going to still. Alright, if I saw you saying now, remember say you place your work on daddy. You know what I mean? What you have to do now, I tell you what you have to do. If you see somebody drop off a piece of money a while ago, make him drop off the said package for the labor of them too. And then you formalize the rest of the money. By tomorrow or the next day, because we know say through the rush, I open up back in the morning, you know, everything not formulate. But the way I say now, you have to start plan the thing ahead. Yeah man, just do it though. Yeah. If we get the money in time, we do some work today. If money not come in time, some others get the money I go buy some food and just chill out. So make it, if you come in time, you can pay labor of them because you know, we alone and labor them to get for their money this morning too. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I hear my boss say, I want you to get this in your head, you know. The work run, as how your money run. And the work done, as how your money run. So you see, if you not pay the money, bossy, nobody feel like say you got money work and not get no pay, you know. So just do it for yourself and you get our thing.
Now where's your go there now?
Yeah man, everything good.
Cut him off by foot, because he's not being bad.
Be chatting there for you know.
Alright. Let me ask you, where go there now?
Well, I have to put on a piece of food to my woman come down, you know.
One thing sir for doing daddy. We go check Candy.
Yeah, because I got to tell you something. And she was a day.
You can squeeze her a little bit, she can buy back to run, put in her shop, and I go. So.
So I go on Candy.
How you deal with?
Check me come to check yesterday now. But me never come for H too long, you know. I fire some for give her thing, you see me? So I'm come give and call it come more. We come shell down the bar, come more, you see me? So if you tell you later, we come shell down the bar, yeah? So just stack up your bar with that, yeah?
Alright, thanks.
Yeah, bless up yourself.
Thank you guys for watching. It's always a pleasure to create this wonderful content for you guys. And remember, big up on yourself. Big up to all the official members. And if you're not a member, sign up right now for official membership just to support the movement. And if you can't sign up from where you are, tell somebody that live in the state or live in Canada or England to sign up to Richard Brown Films official membership. Alright, we want to big up a few people before we head out. Alright, so big up to Jules, big up to Antoinette, big up to Elaine as always. Big up to Damien, one of our long-time subscriber, and big up to the Bully team. They're always supporting what we do. They love the content and they show support by providing us with some Richard Brown shirt and also some Bully shirt. So head over to Bully on Instagram and also Austria Records and follow them and see what they're doing and support their movement. Thank you to everybody that keep on sharing up the content all over on social media, on your WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram. We appreciate it. That's how the movement is going to grow. We're almost at 100,000 subscribers. And remember, share up the content so we can reach here fast. Yeah man, so look out for the next movie that we're going to post. We're working on some brand new content. Big up to all the sponsors. Big up to all the persons who are producing movie with us. Big up on yourself. We have some great content coming for you guys. Alright? So big up on yourself. Continue to support what we do and follow and subscribe to all the channels that we have. Richard Brown Films, Jamie Wood over there, Richard Brown Films BTS. That's all the channel that is providing some wonderful content for you guys. So big up on yourself. Continue to support.